Hermes Agent running locally on my computer, 100% free, and all my data remains private. Using Ollama, an easy to use model provider. Hermes Agent, one of the most popular agent platform, having more than 100,000 stars, and it is completely open source for us to use. I integrate that with my Telegram, and now I'm able to chat with my AI chatbot and ask it to perform tasks at any time. Also, it has multiple skills, having the ability to self-improve. And I'm going to take you through step by step how you can install this, run using Ollama, and integrate with your Telegram. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Ollama officially released a document in regards to how to install Hermes Agent, and it's just few steps. First step, we need to download Ollama and install it. You got a one-liner. You can either install directly from here or download it by clicking this icon. For now, I'm going to copy this and open your terminal from your computer. I'm using Mac 34 GB of memory. There I'm going to install by pasting this command and then clicking enter. Now this will automatically install Ollama. Now it is completed. Now I'm going to download a model. Ollama is basically a model provider where you can see multiple models here. I'm going to use Gemma 4, which has more than 9 million downloads. One of the most popular models right now. And I'm going to use Gemma 4 E2B. That runs faster on my computer. So I'm going to choose that, and here is the command. So coming back to my terminal, I'm going to type Ollama run Gemma 4 E2B and then click enter. That will automatically download the model and you are able to test it. I'm going to say, hi, how are you? Now you can see the performance, how fast it is. And here is the response. Hello, I am functioning well. Thank you for asking. How can I help you today? So that's the basic test for Ollama, which means your data remains private and you can run it for free. So that is step number 1 completed. Step number 2, we need to install Hermes Agent. By default, when you go to Hermes Agent website, you got the one-liner as well. You can just copy this and paste it on your terminal. But there is an alternative option, which I'm going to do, which is still the same, but with just one command. That is Ollama launch Hermes. So going to copy the command, and coming back to my terminal, I can just type \exit to exit the Ollama chat interface. Then going to clear the screen and then paste Ollama launch Hermes. First, it says Hermes not installed. Install now. I'm going to choose S, and now it's installing that. And you can see the progress here. It's installing all the required packages that is required to run the application. And it is saving all the configuration in this path, the root folder and Hermes. Installation complete. You got all the configuration here. If you want to modify any of these configuration, all your environment variables, it's in .env. And you got these all commands if you want to modify that further. But I'm going to keep it simple. Just choose the model. That is Gemma 4 E2B. That's the one which we just downloaded. And clicking enter. And now it's asking if I want to connect to any messaging app such as Telegram, Discord, Slack, and more. I'm going to say yes. Now it's asking what channel which I want to connect. And I'm going to choose Telegram and then click enter. Now I need to enter the bot token. So you can create a bot using @botfather on Telegram. So if you go to Telegram and in the search, type @botfather. And from here you can click the new bot and create a bot, and it will give you the bot token. Just copy the token and then paste that here and then click enter. Now Telegram token saved. Next, I need to restrict my bot. I don't want anyone else to use my bot. To do that, same like you type botfather, you need to search for this user info bot on your Telegram. That will give you the ID and you can enter the ID here. So coming back to Telegram and in the search, I'm going to paste @userinfobot. So when I click this, it will automatically give me the ID and I can paste that in this terminal. After that, it is done. Now it's asking me if I want to install a gateway. I'm going to say yes. That is required for Telegram to keep running. And you can see Hermes Agent is now started and you got a chat interface. I'm going to say hi. Now it's processing the request and it's using the Gemma 4 E2B model. And you can see the performance here. And here is the response, which confirms that it is working. Now I can send the same message from Telegram. Let's see how it's going to work. I'm coming to my bot and I'm going to send a message. Hi, how are you? At the top, you can see it's typing the message, which shows that it is actively working on the task. And here is the response. "Hello, I'm functioning well and ready to assist you. How can I help you today?" Which shows that it's properly integrated with Telegram. Now you can ask your Hermes agent to perform any task completely for free and is running locally on your computer. As simple as that. Now you are able to install Hermes Agent locally and run it for yourself without incurring any cost. Do let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Considering you already like Hermes Agent running locally with Ollama, I also created another video how you can run OpenClaw locally with Ollama. And I'll put the link in here and I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.